Season 1 Episode 6. Caillou pulls the fire alarm at school and gets suspended and grounded.
Caillou, time to get up for school.
Z.
Caillou, wake up, you got to leave in less than 30 minutes.
Z.
Caillou, if you don't wake the hell up, I will blow an arrow in your freaking face. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Come on.
Dad.
Jesus Christ, what happened to your voice, Caillou?
It's just a voice crack.
Phew, I thought you had laryngitis or something. Now, get out of bed so you won't be late for school.
Fine. When Caillou got to school. Hello! Welcome to another exciting day of ancient world history. Today we will start to learn about ancient China. Now go to page 89 in your ancient world history book. I wish I never had Mr. Plotagon King as my ancient world history teacher. He is so freaking annoying. Hey! That's not nice, Caillou. That hurts my feelings. Oh, why do I actually feel bad for saying that anyways? Can I go to the bathroom? Sure, Caillou. Just take 5 minutes or less. Bruh, school is so freaking boring. I want to do something fun, but what should I do? I have a good idea. I'm gonna pull the fire alarm for fun because why not? Ha 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 ha. Time to do it in 3, 2, 1. Everyone, there is a fire in the school. I don't care about the walking at half a mile an hour bullcrap. Run and get out of here as fast as possible.
WAA, I don't wanna die.
After everyone got out of the building. Phew, thank God we're safe. Caillou, why weren't you with us at the time we got out of the school? Because I tripped and hurt my body. I meant I was using the bathroom just right when the fire alarm started to go off. Caillou, you sound sus. You sure you had nothing to do with the fire alarm? Wait, hold on, the principal wants to talk to me real quick. Oh, the principal wants you in his office right now. Okay.
Caillou, I just checked the security cameras in the hallway and saw that you pulled the fire alarm for a prank. You know, pulling the fire alarm for no reason is a suspendable offense and is taken seriously in this school. I'm gonna call your dad right freaking now.
No, please don't. I'm sorry. I'll never do anything bad again.
Too bad, Mr. False Alarm Causing Person. Now I'm calling your dad and I hope you get grounded. Hello, Mr. Anderson. I want to inform you about the false fire alarm that someone pulled today. Oh, who was the person who pulled the fire alarm? Actually, it was your misbehaving bald son, Caillou. He will be in so much trouble. Thank you for letting me know, Mr. Hernandez. And your son is going to be suspended for 30 days, so pick up your son right now. I had enough with this kid. I will be right there. Thank you for letting me know. Here's your stupid idiotic son. Thank you. I can't wait to discipline my son. Yes, please discipline your son so much. I would thank you and goodbye. Goodbye. Group of O's. Caillou Anderson, how dare you pull the fire alarm for no reason and prank the 1,200 students there. And 80 staff members at SITU grounded for 292949493020010208283929393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939393939 505029183859922030030028282177182930505029184949 years. Now get out of my field of view and into your room right freaking now.
I hate this day. Thanks for watching. Next episode is Caillou watches South Park and gets grounded.